how to add SNAP or EBT card on DoorDash. If you would like to add a SNAP or EBT card on DoorDash, it's very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then launch the DoorDash application and then make sure that you log into your respective account. Once you log into your account, this is the type of interface you will be able to see. What you want to do after logging in is tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner. From the top of the menu, go to the option that says Settings. Then go to Payment Methods. Once you go to Payment Methods, these are all the options you'll find. Over here, under Program Cards, you can see the option Add SNAP or EBT Card. So tap on SNAP or EBT Card over here. Now here, just type in your card number. By the way, you can see if an item is SNAP eligible on its details section. Fees and Dasher tips must be paid with another payment method. Once you add your card, tap the Save Card button to add it. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon, as always, in the next video.